Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily clear the Snapchat browsing history and cache on your iPhone or Android device. Snapchat stores cache and browsing data over time to help the app load faster and run smoothly. However, this stored data can sometimes cause issues like slow performance, login glitches, or unnecessary storage usage on your device. Clearing Snapchat browsing history and cache on your iPhone or Android device is a simple way to free up space, protect your privacy, and fix minor app problems without deleting your account or saved memories. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Snapchat app on your iPhone or the Android device. And then you have to hit your profile located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down to Additional Services section and choose Browser Settings option. Then you have to tap on the tiny red clear button next to Clear Cache and Browser History. When prompted, make sure to confirm the action, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily clear the Snapchat browsing history and cache on your iPhone or Android device. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy but hidden feature, make the most of it to keep the clutter at a fair distance to ensure that Snapchat always runs smoothly and efficiently on your device. And I'll catch you up in the next one.